In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide your rendering projects within Blender using the Eevee render engine. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting in the 3D world, these tips will help streamline your rendering process and enhance your visual output. Let's dive right in and see how this magic happens. First, we need to kick things off by opening Blender on your computer. If this is your first time using Blender, you can easily download it from its official website and follow the installation prompts. Once you have it open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the clean and intuitive interface. Next, direct your attention to the right side of your screen, where you'll find the Render Properties icon. It's impossible to miss. Just look for the little camera icon in the Properties window. Clicking this icon opens up a whole new menu of options and settings for rendering your 3D projects. Now, let's focus on the Render Engine menu. If you're looking at the options presented, you'll see a drop-down menu that allows you to choose between different rendering engines. Go ahead and click the downward arrow to reveal these choices. Out of those options, we are going to change and select Eevee. Eevee is a very efficient, real-time render engine within Blender that provides fast rendering capabilities while maintaining quality, making it ideal for quick previews and animations. Once you've selected Eevee, let's explore the settings available to you. Under this Eevee setup, you have a suite of parameters you can tweak to your liking. For instance, you can manage the lighting effects, shadows, ambient occlusion, and more. Each of these options plays a crucial role in determining the final appearance of your render, so take some time to adjust them according to your project needs. Remember, playing around with these settings can lead to some fantastic visual results. When you're ready and satisfied with your settings, it's time to render your project. To start rendering, you have two options. You can simply press the F12 key on your keyboard, which is a quick shortcut to watch your scene come to life. Alternatively, if you prefer using drop-down menus, just head over to the top menu bar, click on Render, and you'll find the Render Image or Render Animation options. Click whichever option suits your particular project, be it a still shot or an entire sequence. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to rendering using Eevee in Blender. By following these steps, you will be able to create visually striking renders with ease. Keep experimenting and refining your approach, and soon enough, you'll be a pro at using Blender's powerful tools. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us next time for more tips and tricks in the world of 3D modeling and rendering.